Welcome to Future Fortune, where your financial destiny awaits. Today, we're embarking on a transformative journey, one that goes beyond the basics of earning and saving, diving deep into the essence of what it truly means to be in control of your financial future. Are you ready to redefine your relationship with money? Then, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 4 money game secrets. These aren't complicated strategies, but mastering them will take your financial freedom, confidence, and literacy to a whole new level. Imagine finally feeling in control of your money. Sound good? Then buckle up, because if you're hungry and dedicated to winning, we're about to change the game. Are you tired of feeling lost in the money game? Feeling like your finances are constantly one step behind? Well, guess what? There are actually rules to this game, and once you learn them, you can absolutely crush it. This is about more than just freedom from debt or the ability to accumulate wealth. It's about gaining financial confidence and being empowered to make the right decisions when it comes to money. While financial freedom is based on the figures in your bank or investment portfolio, financial confidence is about knowing deep down that you have what it takes to generate wealth. It's an empowering realization. The world is teeming with financial opportunities, but only those equipped with the right knowledge and skills can unlock them. Isn't it astonishing? In an age where information floods our daily lives, where wisdom is just a Google search away, it's mind-boggling that financial savvy seems to be the exception, not the norm. Picture this. Nearly every piece of knowledge you could ever want to master your finances is available at your fingertips, often for free or at a minimal cost. Yet, a staggering 90% of us wander through life, financially clueless. At the end of the month, with a fresh paycheck in hand, being $1,600 richer post-tax, and what happens to that money? It very quickly disappears in a blur of coffee, takeouts, and fleeting pleasures, investing nothing for the future. Sound familiar? Sadly, these actions are happening everywhere. But here's the silver lining. Transforming from a financial novice to a wealth-building wizard is within anyone's grasp. It's all about shaking off those bad money habits and adopting a millionaire mindset. Consider this. Wealth rarely coexists with financial naivety, except for the odd lottery win or unexpected inheritance. And yet, an overwhelming majority of lottery millionaires find themselves broke within years. Why? They lacked the financial wisdom to sustain their fortune. So why aren't people taking advantage of all this free financial knowledge? We think it boils down to 2 main reasons. Ready for a hard-hitting truth? The financial advice most of us grew up with? It's not just outdated, it's a roadblock to wealth. I can't tell you the number of times I've been told, money doesn't grow on trees, and money is the root of all evil, are phrases of the past. These old sayings, well-intentioned as they may be, handcuff us to a scarcity mindset. Think of it like this. Attracting money is a lot like attracting anything else in life. If you believe it's scarce and out of reach, you'll never truly go after it. Financial education is the key to flipping that scarcity mindset on its head. Now, let's tackle a big myth. Debt. Yes, debt is often painted as the villain in our financial storybooks. But here's the plot twist. Debt isn't inherently evil. It's all about how you use it. Imagine buying a house. It's debt, but it's an investment that can grow your wealth over time. The problem is, most people lack the knowledge to use debt strategically. They demonize it because they don't understand it. The second secret ingredient to financial success isn't just knowledge. It's believing you deserve to be wealthy and happy. Picture wealth not just as a bank balance, but as a state of mind. Before the riches start rolling in, you need to envision yourself as rich, successful, and capable of achieving greatness. Here's the thing. Most people are scared of success. They stay stuck in their comfort zone, afraid to take risks. But that's where the magic happens. Confidence is your secret weapon. It gives you the courage to step outside your comfort zone and chase those financial goals. Financial education is powerful, but it's your belief in yourself that truly unlocks your potential. So forget the naysayers and the fear of failure. You've got this. We'll talk about the 4 essential rules of financial literacy next. But for now, remember, confidence is key. Do you think there is a third ingredient to financial success, along with redefining conventional wisdom and confident self-esteem? Let me know in the comments. Here's the first golden nugget of the money game. The path to wealth doesn't lie in clocking hours for someone else. Forget the idea of getting rich working for someone else. It's time to become an investor and take control of your financial future. But before you jump into the stock market like a kid in a candy store, there's a crucial first investment you need to make: yourself. Think of your brain as your ultimate money-making machine. Financial education is the fuel that keeps it running smoothly. Stay updated on industry trends, develop high-income skills, and become a lifelong learner when it comes to money management. Your knowledge is your greatest asset. Now, let's talk about investing in your business, if you have one. Imagine your business as a car. To make it go, you gotta put gas in the tank. Similarly, your business needs consistent investment to grow. This could be anything from marketing campaigns to research and development for new products. Fuel your business for success. Next up, real estate. This classic strategy boils down to buy low, sell high. Many investors start with single-family homes and work their way up to commercial properties, hotels, or office buildings. The idea is to find undervalued properties, fix them up, and then sell them for a profit. Think of it as a real estate treasure hunt. Finally, let's talk stocks. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of a company. This entitles you to a share of their profits. But be warned, the stock market can be risky. There's always a chance of losing money. But remember, knowledge is power. Do your research, be wary of scams, and never invest in something you don't understand. If you're unsure, seek advice from a qualified professional. The bottom line? Investing is a powerful tool, but it takes education and a smart strategy. All right, everyone, the second secret of the money means talking about the D word, debt. Scary, right? But here's the thing, debt can actually be a powerful tool for building wealth if you know how to use it. Think of it like a double-edged sword. Used wisely, it can open doors to amazing opportunities. Used poorly, well, let's just say it can leave some nasty financial scars. There are 2 main types of debt: good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is the credit card you use to buy the latest gadgets. You know, the ones gathering dust in a drawer a month later. This debt drains your wallet and offers no real return. Student loans can also fall into this category, especially if you end up in a career that doesn't pay well. The key is, you gotta be realistic about your ability to pay it back. Now, good debt is a whole different story. Imagine you take out a loan to buy a house. Sure, it's debt, but that house can appreciate in value over time, building your wealth. Or, let's say you get a loan to start a business. If your business thrives, you can easily pay off the loan and use the profits to grow even bigger. Debt, in this case, becomes an investment in your future success. The bottom line? Debt isn't inherently bad. It's all about using it strategically. Do your research, have a solid plan for repayment, and only borrow what you know you can afford. Used wisely, debt can be a powerful tool. You can also add us here, Future Fortune, to your financial arsenal by subscribing to the channel and liking our video so you always have us in your corner. Financial gurus might preach frugality, but secret 3 they're not telling you is to thinking rich. Confidence, abundance, success. Picture it clearly. Now, here's the twist. Act like the rich person you see in your mind. This doesn't mean blowing your entire paycheck. It's about investing in yourself strategically. Living below your means is great advice, to a point. But constantly pinching pennies can trap you in a scarcity mindset. Instead, focus on developing high-income skills. Learning how to make more money allows you to splurge strategically on things that boost your confidence and fuel your drive. A well-placed investment in yourself is way more powerful than a lifetime of latte guilt trips. Here's the key. Discipline is crucial. Track your spending, but don't restrict yourself to the point of misery. invest in experiences and tools that elevate your image and skill set. This simple shift in mindset will open your eyes to new opportunities for wealth creation. Suddenly, you'll see money-making possibilities everywhere. Remember, it's not about living beyond your means, it's about believing you deserve abundance and taking calculated steps to achieve it. So ditch the deprivation and start acting like the rich version of you. Let's talk the final secret of the money game: assets, the stuff that fills your pockets, not drains them. Think of your brain as your ultimate asset. The sharper you keep it, the more valuable you become. Here's the deal. The market craves specific skills. These skills are like magic money wands. They bring value and rake in the cash. Imagine ditching the 9-to-5 grind and generating income on your own terms, just by delivering awesome results. That's the power of high-income skills. Whether it's coding, copywriting, social media mastery, or anything in between, find your niche and develop those skills like crazy. This becomes the foundation for building your wealth. Think of it like a video game. You gotta level up your character to unlock more resources and conquer financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Identify your strengths, hone those skills, and watch your income-generating potential skyrocket. This video just scratched the surface. If you're feeling that spark of curiosity, that burning desire to turn your potential into prosperity, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's embark on this epic quest for wealth and success. Your future is a blank page, waiting for your story to be written. And guess what? You hold the pen.